The design experience at Bennett has really changed in the last 10 years.
When we first started, we didn't have a design process. We were so much smaller of a company. When we eventually started to get into design, it was basically we dealt with a local cabinet distributor that had a design department within it, and we would utilize those folks. But it just got to the point where we grew, and we brought on a designer, and it soon became apparent that we needed another designer, and it just evolved into what it is today.
And I've been here the whole time design has been at Bennett for 10 years.
Justina was the first designer 10 years ago. I joined Bennett 7 years ago, and then Sarah and Hilary.
We couldn't still be doing this at the rate that we're doing it if we were using that old system.
When I first started, we had one little vignette of cabinetry, maybe a rack of hardware. Now we have multiple cabinet lines. We have towers upon towers of our Cambria quartz and some natural stones. And we have a whole wall of plumbing supplies.
With a team of 4, it's now 4 more creative brains that can get together.
It's made the experience for clients much easier because they come here and we can get everything figured out and picked out at one spot.
Good design starts with function. For us, the functionality is the first thing we think about before we even think about how pretty it is.
Now, because everything's under one roof, I can call down the project manager, and it allows us to actually just stay here in-house and talk more and design more here.
Technology is also transforming the way we design, making our work more efficient when it comes to spatial planning and maximizing functionality. Most importantly, it allows customers to truly visualize and experience what the renovation will look like upon completion.
No design is ever going to age well if it's not useful. And I think that if you're going to invest in the kind of craftsmanship and the quality materials that Bennett is known for, then definitely investing in a good design makes sense. Otherwise, it won't last.
I look forward to offering customers even more selections and creating a space where they can see and experience materials in person rather than solely relying on online images.